Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Easy AI. So today we will write a simple Java program to check if a number is even or odd. It's a quick way to learn how if-else conditions work in Java. So let's jump right in. So in today's video, I am using Visual Studio as my code editor, where I'm going to showcase my coding. So first, let us create a Java file. Okay, so let me just give the name as even or dot java. Dot java specifies that this file is Java language. Okay, so here Visual Studio automatically creates a class, but we are going to do step by step. Okay, so first let me just import the library files. Okay, so here I need a scanner library. So here let me just include it, import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, here I have included my library file by using import. Okay, so next we'll create a class. Okay, class even of. Remember that class name and file name should be same. Okay, after that let me just open the flower brackets. And so next we have to create a main class, public static void main. So our main file or the main class is created, not the file, main class or the main method. So after this, as we have invoked our scanner, we should create a object for the scanner. So let me just show you how to do it. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Here you have to type system dot in. Now the scanner is ready to use. So why scanner is used? Let me just say scanner is used to take input from the user. Okay, so here we need a number to check the number is even or odd. So let me just take int data type and declare it as n is equal to sc dot next int. That's it, done. Okay, so here let me just add a system dot in out println. Just type it as enter a number. Okay, so now let's check the number if it is even or odd. Okay, so how to check it? N mod 2 equal to 0. If the remainder is 0, so it is a even number. Okay, so here if condition is used to check the number is even or odd. Okay, so else condition. So the number is odd. So after this, we have to close the scanner. Let me just show you how to close the scanner. So this is how you close the scanner. Okay. So here in if condition, it checks if number is divided by 2. So if the number is divided by 2, we print the number is even. Else we print it as OR. Okay. So let us run the file. So we have got an enter a number. Let me just type it as 10. Okay. So we know 10 is divided by 2 and we know that 10 is a even number. So let us see if it is an, yeah. So the number is even. So next, let us run the program again. So here, now let's give as 11. We know this number is an odd number. So let us see if the code gives us the correct output. So the number is odd. So that's it, guys. And that's it. How you check if a number is even or odd in Java. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code Easy AI for more easy coding tutorials. See you in the next one.